One of the most important challenges when you try to start in your class a project is to have all materials together. Will be very complicated because you have to customize. We have to cut from foam board, you have to cut from wood, you have to cut from a lot of materials. And it's very hard in a classroom to do that, especially with early grades. You can do more close to the high school. For example, here in this situation, you have panels that are easily to assemble. You have parts, electric parts that is hard to identify and to order separately. For example, motors that will generate electricity, LEDs and so on. If everything comes together in a kit, if you want to produce this without having a kit preset like this, you have to identify for the battery pack, you have to identify the source to buy a switch, you have to find the source for the motors and so on, and after that you have to use eventually a lot of materials to build this wheel. But in this kit you have everything together. You have only to put them together and you can easily teach the concept in class. I'm saying that from a perspective of a science and technology teacher, that I'm doing this for many years.